Hey, what's up, guys? It's actually been a while, and if you have been following my channel, if you have subscribed to this channel before, I would say that I'm very, very sorry because it's been a while. I upload a content like up to like a month now, so I'm actually very sorry. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and then turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new content you will be notified. And also please don't forget to click on the like button so it will notify the YouTube algorithm and recommend this video to the kind of people that are actually interested in working on Fiverr, or probably they are already working on Fiverr and they are looking for a way to earn more money on Fiverr platform. So without all being said, I would like to jump into the right content on why this video was made, so which we are going to be discussing about how I made $500 on Fiverr using or offering freelance YouTube, like offering a YouTube service on Fiverr platform. So I'll be going through all my earnings and the order as well, so you'll be able to see and understand what I charge from clients and how my service actually works. So here you can see this is the order I'm having in queue. So everything together is $580. So this is the one I'm having in queue right now. So this buyer is here to submit the requirement, and these are the other two projects that I've submitted, so waiting for approval. And these are the jobs that I've completed already, which is 26 projects completed. So some are custom order, some are direct order, and some so this is the worst reviews I will ever add on Fiverr with this account, and it's so sad. Even though I don't see this coming, because I discussed with this buyer and I did not expect this kind of review at the end of the day. So I would like to open so you can see the discussion and if truly I deserve that particular rating. So this buyer order for video promotion, so which is my basic package. So he sent oh sorry, he ordered for my basic package, which is channel optimization for 5 days, and I will be optimizing any videos he or she uploaded within that 5 days. I don't know if he's a male or female, I don't know. So a request on my mail to manage his channel, so I send my mail to this buyer. Then so he sent the invitation, but it take a while before I can receive the invitation. So at the end of the day I later received it, so we discussed. Okay, yeah, awesome. So this our conversation. So we had a talk. Then after I noticed the old stuff about the channel, so I give him some recommendation. I think the channel is about gaming channel. Okay, yeah, so it's a male channel, is about gaming channel. So I give him some recommendation and give him advice on what he should do to work on his videos so that it will gain more attention from people, because all sort of videos like less than a minute, like shorts, doesn't take more attention or drive more attention to his channel, and it won't convert more based on gaming channel. So I give this buyer recommendation and then advise him on what he should do. So then he replied that okay, I get the point on growing, thank you. So that is our discussion. Then at the end of the day I deliver the project. So you can see I deliver the project, and this is the result, the channel regenerate everything within 28 days. So now you see the review, good stuff, never higher. So I was so surprised, like what is this? I don't understand. Like, you purchased my basic package, do you expect me to drive or give you thousands of subscribers or millions of watch hours to your channel? How do you expect me to do that for just 12 bucks at the end of the day, which is 12 bucks? So how do you expect me to do any magic on your channel? And also I made mention on my gigs that I did not sell subscribers, watch hour, views on my gigs. None of my gig discuss about that. I did not sell this kind of service. So how do you expect me to even do or drive massive views or watch out your channel for just $12? That's no way. How do you expect me to do that? But I just don't understand the buyer, so I just let it go and give my own honest feedback about this buyer. And at the end, I know this kind of feedback he will definitely give to me. If possible, I give less than 1 star. I'll definitely do that. So, but that is just that. So these are my completed projects on this account. As you can see, this is 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, all the way through. Everything is 5 star. Just only this particular buyer that gave me 1 star. So that is not what I actually need, because it's not any way affecting me, because even though the money is not much, but what actually paying me is just the fact that he did not tell me what I did wrong on his channel. I didn't even tell me, so definitely I'll feel the guilty, like, okay, I did not do this particular thing very well, so I'll feel like, okay, I don't deserve 5 star. And at the end of the day, I won't be showing you this kind of feedback now. So most of my jobs are video optimization, video ranking, and then channel optimization as well. So I help all these people to manage their channel and also optimize their videos. And as you can see here, these are channels I have managed, and some of those YouTuber have removed me since I completed their project, so they don't need to input me on their manager again. So, and that is that. So these are the channel I'm working on right now. And then that is that. What I do is, based on each channel, let's say for instance this kind of videos. So you can see this kind of video here. So the owner will upload the video on the channel, and once they upload the video on the channel, I will do all the title optimization. I will research on the right title that this particular video should have, the description, and then work on the tags. So I'll research on the tags that actually relate to this kind of videos, to the kind of video, so that when people are searching on YouTube, they will be able to see the video and watch. And once they watch, that is the main goal for this particular buyer. And at the end of the day, it will achieve views, subscribers, watch hour, so that is what he actually wants on his channel to grow. And I'm very sure that is what that other buyer that gave me 1 star actually wants. So, but of course, I'm not sure you can get that at the end of the day, because that is just $5 service, $15 service. So there will be some limits to what I can actually do. So, and this particular channel I'm showing you right now, the person I am for 30 days management, which is $150 for my premium package. So, and you can also see here, this is the buyer, and we are still working on another 20 days, which he ordered my standard package. So you can check out my profile to see the package and some of my other gigs as well. So you can check out my profile to see my gigs and some other here's my gigs. Okay, so these are my gigs. I'm having 5 gigs already, so these are my gigs here. And then, so you can see I also offer some other scripts, and then short idea, which is YouTube. So basically everything about this account is YouTube gigs, which they are going to hire me or purchase my gig if they are actually interested in any of these gigs. So that is that, and that is how I offer my service and how I made $500, which is you are seeing here on my balance, and I still have some money pending on my account, which hopefully they are clearing very soon. And also, this is expected earning based on my active orders on Fiverr. So I hope everything will drop as soon as possible, or as soon as I completed the project. So that is all I have for you in this video, and thank you for watching. And I hope I'll be making content often and often again, maybe like 2 or 3 videos in a week, or 2 videos in a week, based on what I'm actually doing. I'm working on different kind of things. So but I would try my possible best to have you here, because I understand the fact that if at the end of the day I did not make a content often and often again, you will lose interest. Because of it also happened to me, like I've subscribed to different kind of channel, and once I notice that that kind of person is not making a content that I'm interested in again, I'll definitely unsubscribe on from that channel and look for another channel that related to that kind of content. Then I'll subscribe to them to have new, or to learn new things on my own. So I will try all my possible best to satisfy you on what you need, and what you need to know about Fiverr and other freelancing platform, on how you can actually make money online or from home at your own convenient time. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Thank you.